journey towards becoming a self-reliant powerhouse in defense just took a giant leap forward. The Ministry of Defence has signed a groundbreaking deal with Hindustan Aeronautics Limited to procure 12 advanced Su-30 MKI fighter jets. This agreement, valued at Rs 13,500 crore or $1.63 billion, is not just about boosting the Indian Air Force's capabilities. It's a shining example of the Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative in action. The Su-30 MKI isn't just another aircraft. It's a highly capable Russian-origin fighter jet tailored specifically for the Indian Air Force's needs. Over the years, HAL has developed the expertise to manufacture these jets locally under an intergovernmental framework. This new contract will see these state-of-the-art aircraft rolling out of HAL's Nashik division, a hub of innovation and manufacturing excellence. What makes this deal unique? Well, 62.6% of the components for these jets will be indigenously produced. HAL, in collaboration with the Indian defence industry, has worked tirelessly to localize numerous critical parts and systems. This level of indigenization isn't just about cost savings. It's about building a robust domestic defence ecosystem. Every component manufactured locally boosts employment, supports allied industries, and strengthens India's defence supply chain. The Su-30 MKI is a twin-engine, multi-role fighter jet capable of undertaking a variety of missions. It's renowned for its agility, advanced avionics, and ability to carry a vast arsenal of weapons. For the Indian Air Force, these jets are essential to maintaining air superiority in a rapidly evolving geopolitical landscape. With this procurement, the Indian Air Force is set to bolster its fleet significantly. The new aircraft will enhance its operational readiness, giving it an edge in both offensive and defensive operations. Whether it's saving Indian airspace or undertaking strategic missions, the Su-30 MKI has proven to be a reliable workhorse. For India, this deal is much more than just an acquisition of fighter jets. It's a statement of intent, a commitment to strengthening national security while fostering self-reliance. The contract also underscores India's ability to design, develop, and produce world-class defense equipment. The Ministry of Defence highlighted the broader implications of this deal, stating that the supply of these aircrafts will not only enhance the Indian Air Force's operational capabilities, but also boost India's overall defence preparedness. In an increasingly uncertain world, maintaining a strong and modern military is crucial, and the Su-30 MKI deal is a step in that direction. As these jets prepare to take flight from HAL's Nashik division, the message is clear. India is committed to securing its borders and skies with cutting-edge technology that is increasingly made in India. The contract is a win-win. It strengthens the Indian Air Force's fleet, boosts local manufacturing, and aligns with the country's vision of becoming a global defense powerhouse. Bureau Report, India Today Global.